True confession, I have very poor handwriting. It's much easier for me to write Xmas than it is to spell out the entire word Christmas. But it seems disrespectful. Anybody else have that problem? Hi, my name is Gay O'Neill, and this is Jesus Stories, where we find out about Christian history and about heroes of the faith. Why does Xmas seem so disrespectful? In our 20th century experience, we tend to associate Xmas with the commercialization of Christmas. Advertisers use Xmas extensively. It's compact, it's brief, and it's concise. It's a secular context, and not necessarily, and in fact usually not, Christ honoring. So when we use it, we may not feel Christ honoring either. So where did Xmas come from? The earliest reference linking X to Christmas was Emperor Constantine's vision in 312 AD, which led him to Christianity. Constantine was battling his brother-in-law Maxentius to become the sole emperor of Rome. Constantine looked to the sun for inspiration and saw a vision of two Greek letters, chi, which looks like our letter X, and rho, which gives us our letter R. Chi and rho sounds like R but actually looks more like a P, are the first two letters of the Greek word Christos, or Christ. Well, the brother-in-law drowned in the Tiber River and his army was decimated. Constantine saw the vision and the victory as a gift from God. Today, the symbol of chi and rho superimposed on each other is called a Christogram. By 1100 AD, chi and rho were coupled with mice, which was the Old English word for mass. The Old English phrase Christmas or Christ's Mass didn't become Christmas until the 1300s. So the X in Xmas is actually older than the word Christmas. So Xmas was not created by an ad agency, and Xmas comes from the word Christ. So go ahead and use the word Xmas with a clear conscience, and if anyone judges you for it, feel free to direct them to this video. Thanks so much for watching Jesus Stories. This channel is all about Christian history and about heroes of the faith, because so much of who we are is because of who they were. I hope you'll give this video a like and share it with the people that you care about. And please do let me know in the comments below about what topics you'd like to hear me talk about. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.